Hey there, so quick video for you. If your Ring solar panel is not charging, this is something I found on Reddit. Unplug the solar and check the rate of battery drain over a few days. Then connect back and check the rate and compare. Also, it could be the battery is going, don't know how old it is. So this is the first thing. And also someone wrote here, I got 4 solar cameras. In summer it keeps them fully charged. In winter, has little effect. If it says connected, that's all you get. I know that the battery pack itself will not charge when it's that cold, but when I bring them in and plug them in charger, they wait till they acclimate. So really quick video, maybe it's going to be helpful, maybe not. If not, I'm sorry. I try to find it like really a quick way what you can do. So thank you very much for watching and hope this video is at least a little bit of beneficial. Have a great day and goodbye.